All right, so the next AI agent that I would like to share with you is actually available in Microsoft Copilot, and we call it the AI Analyst Agent. And let's assume that I've got this data here. So here I got the dates, I got different products, and here I got the number of units sold, and also here I got the price as well. And what I wanted to do is I would like to use that AI Analyst Agent to take this data, to analyze it, and then I wanted to build a machine learning model to try to predict this column, the price of these products. So it's funny because now you see AI models basically training another AI models. So let's go ahead and see if the Analyst Agent is able to do this for us. So all you need to do is to go on the left-hand side, click on that Analyst Agent, and now the Analyst Agent has been enabled here for you. You click that plus sign, click Add Work Content, and you can click here on the Upload button. And what I've got here is I got the weekly sales data. So this is the data. And I'm going to have a prompt here. And this prompt is structured in the same way as I showed you before in the prompt engineering video, where we have context, we have instructions, we have output and input as well. So here I'm just asking it, okay, you're an expert analyst. I want you to create 10 different visualizations for us. And then I would like you to build machine learning models for us afterwards as well. So if you go ahead and click run, what you get is now you're talking to the Analyst Agent, which is going to come up with its own reasoning tasks. It's going to write Python codes, and if you open it, you can see the Python code here behind the scenes. And it's going to plan the data visualization. So I ask it to create 10 different visuals. And it's going to create here all the different code for all the different visualizations. And this is very important because you will see that the agent actually failed to generate or run one of these code scripts. And it didn't stop there. It didn't kind of give up. It came back, it tried to solve the problem. It generated new code script and it kept going. And this is incredible because now you have an AI agent that can do whatever it takes to achieve the task. So now you should see here all the different graphs. So this is figure 1, this is figure 2, figure 3, and so on. And now you should be able to see the visualizations as well being created here on the spot inside of Microsoft Copilot. And let's wait and see. So here we go. So now we should see the units sold over time. Here you can see a nice bar chart of all the different categories in the data. Here we got as well a box plot as well of all the different categories. And if you keep going down, you'll see this is a nice as well distribution here of all the different platform. And if you keep going, again, ton of data visualizations showing revenue versus discounts as well. And this is pretty powerful. But what's amazing is now you can build machine learning models inside of Microsoft Copilot. So I'm going to ask it to please go ahead. I want you to build machine learning models for me to predict the sales here for us. So I'm just going to go ahead, paste that prompt, and I'm still talking to the Analyst Agent. And now the agent is going to take that data, it's going to split it into training and testing. It's going to build multiple machine learning regression models, and it's going to show you a leaderboard at the end that compares the performance of all these models. Please note that before we used to take us like maybe a few hours for data scientists to do that, and now you're doing this in just like a few seconds, which is mind-blowing. So now, for example, you see all these different models have been trained, random forest regressor, for example, and now we have been able to achieve almost 0.84 R squared, and any number that is close to 1, that's good news. So that's pretty much it. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.